So today's topic of discussion is my exam. I had go through from two exams, and examination has been continued from last 4 days, and will be continue till 27th of Feb, where my two papers have already end, which was not satisfying for me any aspect. First was maths, engineering mathematics 3, where my internal marks was very well, where 33 out of 40. So I was supposed to get more than 40 marks in the end semester, so I could manage to get 70 plus out of 100, and my pointer may increase, but that will not happen because of 50% of this 40 marks means 20 marks, which is necessary to get passing marks. There is a question mark in front of this 20 marks. It is not a there is no conviction that I will get 20 marks, because um, there are few silly mistakes I have done in maths paper, where one question in which I was going very well. I was doing very well, but where the question of a convolution theorem, where I only solved 50% of problem, where I was going very well in this question, but at a moment at one moment I got a doubt that I am solving wrong answer. I am I'm lagging in something, and I am lagging in some steps. That's why I did not solve this question further. Then the question of the MCQ. The MCQ was first question, first and seventh, where I have to solve a Laplace transform problem, very easy, and I have already solved this. But I have already solved this before in practice, but in the paper I did a silly mistake. I did not find out. I did not found their factorial. I forget the word at this moment. Factorial I did not found, and that's why wrong this problem, and I lost 1 marks. And in the seventh question of MCQ, where the question was you have to find a degree of this particular partial differential equation. I think, where we know that if we have to look on the variable which has greatest order, their degree. We have to see their degree, not order. But I did a silly mistake, and I only see a biggest degree, irrespective of looking on other variable, where degree was 3. I wrote 4 because I did not recall that at that time that we have to see first order of their degree, order of their variable. Then yesterday I gave a paper of electronics and electrical measurement, where I lost at least 8 to 10 marks by a brain fade moment. It was highest in my, I think it was highest in my career. It was not never happened. It was never happened before because what to say? My brain is completely rotten, and the type of brain fog is on less level. I cannot describe in my words. Where I question was the question was Kelvin's double bridge, where I saw half of answer. Then I look in that it will not make final answer. I am liking something in step, but after coming from exam, I see that I was going very well. The answer was, if I go further to solve this question, then question could be a right answer could be a right. And this was only one question. There are two questions where I did the same thing. The question was two admitter method, where I want where I have to solve a derivation, where I solved only 30-40% of the question because of doubt. That my brain was saying that this is not a proper answer, this is not a reasonable answer. I'm writing wrong answer for wrong. I'm writing wrong answer on this specific question. So then I quit from this question, and then I went for PMMC instrument question, permanent magnet moving coil, where the question was to we have to draw the diagram of PMMC and they explain the torque equation. No, we have to write torque equation and explain. At that moment, I realized that we have to only draw a diagram and write a torque equation, but I did not able to write a torque equation. But after coming from exam, I saw question paper again. Then I figure out that question was we have to draw a diagram, neat diagram. You have to write torque equation and explain. So what to explain? We obviously we cannot explain torque equation. This is equation. So what to explain? That a PMC instrument. What is a PMC instrument? They are working as construction. I have to explain, but I did not solve. I did a practice. I did a practice and I did a preparation on this question. But despite of all this hard work, I made a silly mistake. I did not read a full question, and my brain was completely brain fade at that moment where I when I saw this question. There I lost minimum 3 marks. Before in Kelvin's bridge I lost 4 marks. 3 marks minimum. We will take at 3 marks. Totally 6 marks, 6 marks, and third question were two MCQs. So total 8 marks. I lost 8 marks because of this. I am scared about my passing. Yes, again is in this subject where the um, I have never got a thought about fail in measurement subject because of it. It is a very easy subject, and there is some questions every year repeats every time. For example, CRO, DVO, digital voltmeter, static and dynamic characteristic. These three questions are fixed. I know, and that will easily and that could easily give you 15 marks minimum. Five, like a 5 marks per question. But I wrote a CRO very well, but the way static and dynamic, I forget some. I not forget. I was lagging in information about dynamic characteristic. I wrote about static, but I did not got information about dynamic characteristic from internet. So the, so that problem will occur. I will lose my 2 marks where. So the conclusion is never go for everything. I every time before exam, I prepare every syllabus, every ounce of every part of syllabus, irrespective of is I did perfect, is I did perfect practice or recall revision. No, I never done perfect practice revision. Few students do only part only half part of a syllabus, but they do perfectly and they score more marks than me. And but I go for everything 100% of syllabus for getting 160 out of 60. But what happened today at in today's moment? I am scared about my passing. So always focus on a single question at a time. Never go for a syllabus, and always prepare from a first day of semester. Don't study before the exam because the type of mixing in Marathi language विशेष मिसल झाली in our brain. The all thoughts, the preparation which does before the exam, all becomes mix, and we do not able to recall all these informations, block diagrams, equations at a certain time, means at exam where the or pressure on us, expectation on us to get more marks is large. So my my five subject exam is remaining, where after today's there is an exam of power system. The subject I really work hard for. I did practice for these equations, and I don't want to lose it. I really want to get more than 40 marks. If I got more than 40 marks, then I will get my deserving marks because I have studied a lot for this subject. Then there is subject of IAE, entrepreneurship and innovation and entrepreneurship, which is not quite hard, which is regarding business, so it's not an issue for passing. Then the subject is open elective. Open elective means that's a category. The subject name is law on electricity, where the all the syllabus I have got and all the material regarding the exam. So I have to prepare, but the problem is that I have to prepare 60 to 70 pages of theory for exam. But really, the sigh of release for me is that the exam has been postponed till 7 days. So that will help me to accommodate the theory in my brain and in my memory to understand and figure out. Then question, then the subject, then the subject will be UHV, not a UHV, MDM, their full form is multidisciplinary minor, where the subject name is that's a type that's again category MDM. The question name is the subject name is object oriented programming in C++, where our teacher did not have class from last 1.5 month, and before this I did not understand what this teaches, because of programming is always go from my away from my 2 foot 2 feet from my brain. No, never the programming never have been uh, accumulate and or not accumulate understand by me, and that's the only subject after this two max. I think max will know is not problematic or concerning. The subject EM measurement and the second is MDM. These two subjects are suspicious. I think that two subject could destroy my this semester. Could not destroy, may give me more problems, mental problems, and I might have to go through from remedial again. Remedial again means there is a remedial examination after if we fail in specific subject in semester. If we again fail in remedial, we have to face supplementary. So we don't see this is so far. If you like this video, then like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe and hit the like button and comment out and what the lags, what are loopholes in my communication and my English vocabulary, English grammar, and lack of gestures, or any other thing. Any suggestions you can give in my comment box. You are free to give me, because if you give me a suggestion, then I could able to figure out my problems in my communication and other aspects. So comment out, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.